This is probably gonna be the best chicken sandwich you've ever tasted. If you live outside the USA, then you probably have never tasted the sandwich. This is arguably the greatest sandwich of the decade. I've never heard of a sandwich that was sold out within 2 weeks. There were stampedes, riots, people actually got killed for this.
I'm gonna fucking sandwiches. There's like 30 sandwiches here. What the fuck am I looking at? Bring these sandwiches out, man.
Through countless and countless of research, I've come across what might be as close as the original Louisiana Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. So, welcome to the very first episode of Fried Chicken Fridays. I'm your host Mac and I love cooking. Welcome to Mac Loves Cooking. So to dissect the Popeye spicy chicken sandwich, brioche bun with spicy mayo at the bottom, pickles, buttermilk fried chicken, spicy mayo, the top of the bun. Basically it. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make your own spicy fried chicken sandwich. The first thing is to choose your preference of meat. There are two options to go with, light meat or dog meat. Dog meat like chicken thighs will be perfect for this kind of sandwich as it's more tender, juicier and takes longer to dry out. Chicken breast is more volatile. I prefer it as it cooks quicker and it was already in my refrigerator. We need to butterfly our chicken. To do this, place one hand on top, cut right through the middle, put your fingers together guys. Be careful not to slice them off. You'll need them at a later stage, alright? So this is one important step you should always take. Pound chicken breasts to an even thickness before cooking them. When each piece of chicken is a different size, they will cook at an uneven rate. Pounding also tenderizes the meat and makes the cooked results even more tender. Always season your chicken before placing it in the buttermilk brine. It adds another layer of flavor inside. Season with salt and pepper on both sides. To create our brine, we need 1 cup of buttermilk. I used a very good substitute as buttermilk is not available in my region. To do this, mix in 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix and set aside for like 5 minutes. Add in 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce. Crack in 2 eggs. One teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and mix together properly. Add in your chicken, cover and let it sit overnight for best results. Don't worry if you have no time to let it sit. Just a minimum of 30 minutes is more than enough. To fry your chicken, pour in 1 liter of vegetable oil, canola oil, definitely not olive oil. So for your batter, get 2 mixing bowls, add in 1 cup of flour in one and in another add in 2 cups of plain flour. One tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 2 teaspoons of salt. Get your 2 bowls, 1 bowl with the plain flour and the other with the seasoned flour. Now that our chicken has been sitting in the brine for like hours and hours or for 30 minutes, whichever is your case, it's time to begin the dredging process. To do this, get your chicken out of the brine, shake off the excess, and first dip it into plain flour, coat it properly, shake the excess off, back into the brine and now into the seasoned flour. Make sure to squeeze the flour in guys, we need it packed with flavor, and then place it on a wire rack. Now I'm gonna show you again. Look carefully guys, it's very important for that extra layer of crispy skin. Double dredge, always double dredge your chicken. Carefully place your chicken in the oil by layering it away from you. Don't throw it in, just lay it away from you. It's very important to lay it away from you. Deep fry for about 6 to 8 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken breast. Timing is very important for you to get that juicy, moist flavor inside. 6 minutes, guys. Take it out on a wire rack to cool and let that excess oil just drip. Use parchment paper or foil so that cleaning up is much easier. Time to assemble our sandwich. Get your buns ready and slice through the middle all the way out. Well, that didn't go as planned. Guys, it's very important for you to toast your buns, whether you're having burgers, chicken sandwich, or fish sandwich. It's a cardinal sin to have burgers or sandwiches without toasted buns. Now for our chicken lube, aka our spicy mayo, add in about 3 tablespoons or more because this is enough for about 2 sandwiches. Add in half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika. To assemble the sandwich, add in a heap full of sauce on each side of the bun. Spread it evenly across the surface to loop the entire sandwich from bottom and the top. Next, chop some pickle into medium-sized chips. I know a lot of people who don't like pickles on their sandwiches. If you're one of those people, please stop watching this video. I'm kidding. Feel free to leave them out. I find that they bring in a different element and flavor in terms of texture. Add in about 4 so that every bite gets a mouthful. Top it off with your golden buttermilk chicken and seal it with the buns. You can add some more sauce depending on your liking. And then, there you have it, folks. Easy spicy chicken sandwich is complete. Now, the proof is in the pudding. So we're at the end, guys. It's time for the taste test. Look at this. Chicken breast, deep fry, 6 minutes. It's moist inside. Can you see? The chicken breast. It's not dry. 6 minutes, deep fried for 6 minutes. And you'll find a juicy chicken breast. That sauce. Spicy mayo. Anointment oil. Exactly what it is. Inshallah. I enjoy that. Enjoy that. I have a feeling every Friday I host Fried Chicken Fridays. This is the first episode. To get some more fried chicken recipes, hit a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be sure not to miss out on any upcoming episodes of Fried Chicken Fridays. Same time, same place. Mac loves cooking. Fried Chicken Fridays episode number 1 done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you try it out. I hope you provide your feedback. This is Mac from Mac Loves Cooking signing out. Peace.